Welcome to Others Day. I am Sharvari Sawant. So, in today's video, we are going to learn about few tips about drawing grade examination. So, let's start up our video by knowing the first tip, that is focus on your goal. In every subject, in every studies, our focus is very important. You should achieve your target. If your goals are not set, then you can't get flying grades. So, here we complete our first tip. Now let's move to our second tip, that is know these syllabus. Before starting any studies, whether it is drawing or your daily subject, your syllabus should be known by yourself, because what we are going to study or what is the content in front of you, you should always know that. Now our two tips are done. Now let's move to our third tip, that is time management. Whether if you are schoolboy or schoolgirl or a teens, your time management is very important. Basically, your routine. You should give time for your play time, your activity time, school activities, class activities, and plus these drawing activities. So, time management is very important. Now, let's move to our fourth tip, that is concentration is must. Concentration. Focus on that word. If you concentrate on your drawing, you can get flying grades, and I am 100% sure about it. So concentration is very, your mind should be focused on what you are doing. Your mind should be somewhere else and you are doing something, you can't get it. Okay, so concentration is very important and it is most. So let's move to our fifth tip, that is enhance your observation. Basically in drawing 50% is your observation, and observation, what to observe, why to observe. So what to observe is observe your daily thing, because in still life and memory drawing our basic observation is needed. We can't get syllabus on the spot, so our observation is very important, and to enhance our observation, observe more thing, google it out what you want to see. So you can't get without observation. If you are going to give our exams, then it is not fine. So observation is very important. So our sixth tip is look at for basic shape. So basic shapes are geometric shape, which are square, triangles, circles, etc. etc. So they are very important. If you take a rough paper or a newspaper, started drawing circles, triangles, standing line, slipping line like a senior KG boy, then your drawing gets an different scenario or best version out of it. So our basic shape is very needful for design and geometry. So let's move to our seventh tip, that is stay consistent with your style, because every person has its own identity and every person has its own style. So do not see other what is doing, or do not see what your side one is doing or back side one is doing. Stay with your own style. So you start up with this style and you can get a best version of your own style. So it is very important to stay consistent, and you can't give whole day or a whole night for this or before a day or exam. So give few hours for this. So consistent and your style is very important. How you draw, how you color, which pattern you follow. So our style and consistent is very important. So let's move to our eighth tip, which is last but not the least, that is practice, practice and only practice, because the whole scenario is based on our practice. If you practice, you can get a best version of your grade. You can get flying grades if you practice more, and if you are complete with your practice and then practice more, because our practice is very important. Whole year students practice for it to get flying grades. So I hope you also do many practices, draw paintings, memory drawing, still life, whatever you want, which your heart says you do, but you should practice. Set a timetable or a routine for practice, that today I did still life, so tomorrow I have to give memory drawing or I have to go for geometry. So basically practice is very important. So we finish up our 8 tips in today's video. So let's move to something very different in the next module. I hope you stay at home, stay healthy, stay happy, and we are catching in the next video. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.